How to get rid of a stinky fridge. Electrical failure, an unintentional disconnection, or leaving food sit too long are common causes of foul odors in your refrigerator. Your first step in getting rid of the odor should always be clearing out any rotten food. If your refrigerator has a drip tray, make sure you clean that as well. If you've thoroughly cleaned your fridge and still have lingering odors, here are a few of the readily available things in your kitchen to help eliminate them. 1. Vinegar. Vinegar can assist to neutralize the odors that emanate from your refrigerator. To get the desired result, place a dish filled with white vinegar in the refrigerator and use the vinegar to wipe off all of the plastic surfaces as well. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is a fantastic odor neutralizer. Place a bowl of baking soda in the fridge for a few hours and the smells will disappear. 3. Oatmeal. When kept in an aluminum bowl in the refrigerator, oatmeal can eliminate odors too. 4. Lemons. Place a couple lemon slices in your fridge to help absorb the odor. Then, wipe clean the plastic sides of the fridge and drawers with juice from half a lemon squeezed into a towel. Finally, leave the remaining lemon wedged on a dish in the fridge for a day or two. 5. Essential oils. Refrigerate a few cotton balls that have been soaked in essential oil for 24 hours. You can also substitute a few drops of vanilla extract for the essential oil. 6. Activated charcoal. Place the activated charcoal in a dish and place it in the refrigerator with the temperature set to the lowest setting and the refrigerator door closed for 3 days. 7. Coffee beans. Spread some freshly ground coffee beans over a baking sheet and leave it in the refrigerator overnight to aid in the absorption of foul smells. You may also put coffee grounds in a dish and store it in the refrigerator for a few days to get the same result. 8. Unscented cat litter. Place unscented cat litter in a layer on the bottom of a cookie sheet and place in the refrigerator for a few days to eradicate bad smells. 9. Newspaper. Fill the fridge's drawers and shelves with wads of newspaper and keep the door closed for a few days. Then, remove the newspaper and clean the fridge with a solution of 1 cup white vinegar to 1 gallon water. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.